Learn how to turn any video into anime in just seconds using AI, just like the video you saw. First, visit the website Chromastudio. You can log in here with your Gmail account. This is their interface. In the Inspiration tab, you can find some examples. You can easily create this kind of video using this AI. Now from this option, upload your video file. Choose a style from the available options and set the desired duration. Once you're ready, click Generate, and within moments, your anime masterpiece will be ready to enjoy. It's fast, simple, and perfect for unleashing your creativity. Be sure to share this video with friends and help them discover how easy it is to create anime-style videos using AI.